Your co-passenger keeps shouting at you to drive faster and faster, but you say, dude, no matter how many times you tell me, I will go the speed limit. Now that is throttling. I have this React app here that gives me the width of my current browser window. Every time I resize, the value updates. But look at the speed it's updating. It needs to slow down. It doesn't need so many re-renders. This can lead to poor performance of your application. This is my current code. When my component is painted, this use effect runs, sets my state to the current window size using window.innerWidth. This is a function that again sets my current window size. But this function is attached to an event listener that listens for resize events. Whenever I resize, this function is executed and my width state is updated. And this is a cleanup function that removes the event listener before the component unmounts. Okay, throttling is now implemented. There are two extra variables declared using useref. These values would survive re-renders. When the component loads, this use effect runs, sets the window height. Now this function here is added to this event listener. Now whenever we resize, this function is executed. Inside this function, we check if throttle.current is truthy or not. It returns nothing if true. Throttle.current is falsy by default. Now we set our window size. This is the first state update after we start resizing. Then a timer starts. After 500 millisecond, throttle.current will be set to false. Then we set our size again. This is the last state update when we stop resizing. And then we set throttle.current to true. Now even if we spam the resize, since we have set throttle.current to true here, this guard clause won't execute the below code until this set timeout runs this callback function and sets throttle.current to false. Also, we are clearing our timeout in this cleanup function. Now when I resize, notice how less frequently this value is updated. This means less re-renders and a snappy app.